That's paired up with an automatic transmission. 352 has a Holley 4-barrel on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this chrome and bright work up front. From the bumper to the grille to the headlight bezels. Looking good. White and red two-tone combination. Interior and exterior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, wire wheel covers, wide white wall radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I haven't really noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find a imperfection here or there. I mean, the car is driven. Get in it, turn the key and go. Check this out. Some good looking chrome fender skirts. Interior, kind of the tricolor with the white, black, and red. Very stock looking dash. There is an aftermarket Pioneer brand, I believe it was, stereo in the glove box, and that is working. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. A lot of bright work on this car, as you can also see. Coming around to the rear, chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Dual exhaust. I always love where they hide the keyhole for the trunk behind that center 0 or O. Pretty cool. All right, few notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. I mentioned the dual exhaust. He did mention there are a few pinholes in the tailpipe. Wipers work, but they're slow, vacuum operated. No surprise there. Brakes are 60% in the front, 50% in the rear. Heater core is bypassed. Some typical powertrain seeps, cars driven, pretty normal. And parking brake system was not complete, so I won't be using the parking brake, which put it in park and you will be fine. And the front windows possibly had some cracks, and we'll have to check that out in the still pictures, so we'll take a peek when we get up there. If you like these late 50s Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. You can see this driver's side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Also, paint has a nice shine to it. Let's see, the wing windows look all right there. Let's go ahead and roll up the side glass. Okay, here's what they're mentioning. Right here, a little crack up on the top corner. That is just a flat paned glass. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Like I said, stock looking dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Once again, 352 V8 according to the previous owner. Excuse me, that light you've seen right there would be your generator light. So when the idle goes down real low, sometimes that'll light up. That's what you've seen there. Looks like fuel gauge came up. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up over here. Top of the dash looking good. Glove box with a stereo in it. Looks like manual choke underneath the dash. I did notice we have a little wear in the backrest of the seating surface over here. Headliner looking good. Slip around to the back seat here, let's run. Door closes nicely. A little rumble coming out of that V8. All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's get this hood popped open. take a peek at this engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. And that V8. And we do have power steering down here also. So power steering, automatic transmission. Running pretty smooth. Take a peek from the passenger side, we can do that. Looks like a newer poly floor barrel on there. Can't see that real easy with the camera, but fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. 1959 Ford Galaxy 500 Club Victoria. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist your transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
500 in red and white. This is an automatic on the column. Our turn signal indicator is working. One thing about this car, the indicator for what gear you're in is off by 1, so reverse is actually park, neutral is actually reverse, and so on. Pretty simple once you know it. Strong acceleration from this car. It's a powerful motor from 1959. Little bit of whistling, almost sounds like a loon chirping from, I believe, that front wing window over there. And there's a crack in each door glass, just a little bit. Not a lot of other imperfections. Seat's a little faded. The dash looks good. Carpet looks good. Headliner also quite good. The horn works. In the glove box is a Pioneer stereo. Have not tested CD, but FM works there. The fuel gauge shows over a half a tank. Speedometer working. The coolant temperature gauge right here is about a quarter of the way up. Blower motor also works on this car for the HVAC system. You're hearing a clicking. I believe that is the glass in the driver's door. Because the camera's mounted right on it, it is a little bit amplified. Brakes nice and smooth. This car started easily and idled nicely right away. Big family Ford, ready for road trips. Can you believe a two-door is this big? They ruled the roads in 1959. Lots of big boats. Comfortable gliding down the road. And this car's no different. A great Ford from 1959. Find all the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.